What if I told you your brain has a built-in reset button for trauma, and we've figured out a way to actually press it? Most people think trauma lives only in your mind, but it also hides in your body, in muscle tension and heart rate, even how you breathe. Here's the shocking part. Sometimes it's not time that heals trauma. It's eye movement. A therapy called EMDR uses side-to-side eye movements to rewire your brain to respond to painful memories. Over time, the memory loses its sting. What once triggered panic now feels natural. Want to know exactly how it works? Hit like and subscribe and watch the full video on the brain's reset button for trauma.